my channel. My name is Bree Journal. If you are new, then go ahead and consider subscribing. I do home videos, vlogs, and motivational videos. So if you like watching those type of videos, then go ahead and subscribe down below. Today I'm so excited because I'm finally going to be doing my mood board home video. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to be doing a challenge of only Amazon in a budget of under $1,200, and this is going to be a redo of my living room. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like my apartment, a lot of you guys have from watching my fully furnished apartment tour. If you haven't watched it, then go ahead and click the link down below I will have for you. And yeah, a lot of y'all like my apartment, so I wanted to do my first mood board video on a recreation of my apartment from Amazon, budget friendly, under $1,200. This was really hard, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. You're able to get some inspiration from this. As you can see, I have my professional glasses on, so I'm gonna be wearing these every video for right now until we can upgrade them. But I'm loving this. It's making me feel real professional. Please leave a comment down below to help me with my next video on what challenge you want me to do. It can be only Target, only Wayfair, only Walmart, a budget of $500, $1,000, $2,000, a specific room. If you want me to help you with your apartment, then go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can email me if you have a long list of things for me to do. I will definitely get that video out for you. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys the mood board for today, my thought process on this, and all of that. So just keep on watching. So first off, I want to go ahead and do a recap of what we're doing today. This is an only Amazon challenge. I was only able to get these items from Amazon. I will have this on my storefront under mood board challenge. So if you guys are interested in the products in this video, then you can go ahead and shop it down below. And the budget is under $1,200. This was really hard to do. I know that it's a minimalist type of thing, but furniture costs a lot of money. So being able to find furniture that looks good, had decent reviews, that is also something that I wanted to integrate. Not just getting any type of product, but making sure that the product is quality based on the reviews from other people was really important. So yeah, the color scheme is white, black, a hint of color, so light pink. So basically it's going to be a recreation of my apartment. My apartment style is minimalist, modern look, a tad bit of mid-century. So we're going to be adding that in there. So first off, I wanted to start off with the couch because that is the biggest thing in the living room and it is the most important. So I wanted to go for a beige couch, and as you can see, my couch is beige. Couches cost a lot of money, so it was kind of hard for me to find a good looking beige couch, but I was able to find one. So the first one I have here was $225, and I really like the way that this looks. It's really modern and it has the straight black wire legs on that. That is really nice, and it is pretty long for a $200 couch. It is 70 inches long. There were a lot of other beige sofas on Amazon, but they were like $1,500, $800, and since this is a budget challenge, then I just had to choose something that was more appropriate for this video. So next up, the chair. As you can see, I'm in my CB2 Bouncil chair and it is beige. I kind of wanted to go for that same thing, so I was able to find something similar. It doesn't have the rotate that mine has, but it is basically the same look. It's just a standstill chair, and it was only $167, which I think is amazing. And for the second option of the chair, I have this one. It was $370. This would make my budget under $1,500, but it's just a different look that's going on. It's definitely more modern, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to choose. I'm just going to see which one looks better on the mood board when I put everything together. For the TV stand, I have picked two options. The first one is from Cozy Castle. It is white. I definitely wanted that white look going on, and it was $150. But luckily, I was able to find one that looks basically exactly like the one that I have right now, and it was $160. And that's basically like the one I have. I believe the one I have is 50 inches long. And then for my full-length mirror, I was able to find something similar. It basically is the same exact mirror. It's just not as wide as the one that I have. The one that I have is 72 by 31, I believe. It's going to be in my Amazon storefront under living room, and it is really large. So That's going to be pretty expensive regardless, but I was able to find one 64 by 21 and it was only $100, so that is a steal. Now for the coffee table, my coffee table, you can get it from Amazon, but it is pretty expensive. A lot of you guys have been asking if I was able to find like a dupe, and I was not able to find one that looks exactly like mine or pretty similar, so I was able to find another cute one, and it was only $120. For me, this coffee table is definitely a mid-century coffee table, but I believe it would look good. I was also able to find a second option. This is something that I was gonna get if I wasn't able to get the one that I currently have. It is a black glass coffee table, and black glass looks so good to me, so I went ahead and added that as an option. We're gonna see which one looks the best. And then for accessories, you have to get the ceramic vase. This just looks so good to me. I've had it in my living room ever since I got this apartment. I think I got it like 3 months after I got my big furniture, and I'm still in love with it, so this will last a long time. I have 2 picture art options. The first one it's cute, but the second one is giving modern minimalistic, so we love that. As you guys know, olive trees are in style, so I went ahead and was able to find a cute olive tree that is faux. So this is $95. I'm thinking that I would be able to put this right next to the mirror, and this would give it more of a grand look. And then of course we need some books to put on the coffee table, so I'm in love with this Eat, Drink, Nap book. And for this, I wanted to add a pop of light pink in the apartment, just a splash. So on top of that book, I'm going to put this light pink Coco Chanel book, and it's just so cute. And then to top it off, to me, you need a TV in your living room, so I was able to find a 50-inch from Hisense that's only $275, so that is a steal. So everything added up is under $1,200, so that is amazing. If you guys are interested in having an apartment that looks like mine, then hopefully this video is helpful. Okay y'all, so let's go ahead and make a mood board of everything so that we can see what these things look like. Thankfully on Canva, we're able to do a race background, and Zane is being Zane. Okay, so we can go ahead and get started. We already know which couch we're using. I'm just going to click everything to add it, and we can just figure it out as we go. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the background image. Luckily, I'm able to do that easily on Canva. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and removed the background on all the images. So we're going to go ahead and put everything down on the second page, and we are just going to see how everything looks. So we already know we want this sofa. It's so cute. It has the black straight legs on it, giving that modern look. And right after, I want to figure out what wall art I'm going to use. So we can try to figure that out now, whether it's between the first design or the second design. Like I said, I'm feeling the second design. It's something about it. It's giving modern. And then from that, I want to figure out if I want the black frame or the wooden frame. I'm feeling like the black frame just looks better, so we're going to go ahead and use that. It's looking like my apartment already, and I just might get this wall art because that is really cute. We also need to figure out which coffee table we're going to use, so let's drag these on down here and see which one we like better. So between these two, I really like the oval looking one. It's not so perfectly square, so I'm definitely going to go with this one. And then I'm pretty sure I already know what TV stand I'm going to use, because I don't like to see rows or racks, whatever you call it, on a TV stand. So that one's out, and this one looks exactly like my TV stand. I'm literally comparing the two as we speak, and it looks the exact same. So I'm going to go ahead and put the TV above it. It looks so nice. That looks so nice. And my living room is kind of weird, so it's kind of hard to put this all on one mood board, but we're gonna make it work. So I have that figured out. I'm gonna go ahead and place these vases on the coffee table. Too cute. And then the books, I'm gonna go ahead and drag these down. And it might not look exactly how we want it to, but we will get an idea based off that. So yeah, real cute, real simple. We're gonna go ahead and drag that mirror down. We already know we want that. We're gonna have it lean on the wall, just like my place. And then I'm in love with this olive tree. It's so cute. So that's gonna go right next to it. You would think to have a pot on it, but I actually like it the way it is. It just gives that clean, natural look. Now the last thing is just to compare these chairs to figure out which one we want, and we will be done. I don't know. I don't know which one I like the best, because I don't like how big the bottom of the left looks, how big the bottom legs look, but then I also don't like the X on the second one. So yeah, but it is a budget. I saw a lot of other ones, and I also wanted to go for the balsa look, but I don't know. I don't know which one I like better. Leave a comment down below which one you would choose, but I think I'm gonna go with the first one and then just change out the legs if it just bothers me. So yeah, this is the look. This is the look. I love it. I love the little light pink pop of color that's added in there. It's so cute. I'm loving the olive tree. It's just, the wall art is popping. I'm liking the coffee table. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you would get this for your living room, because I kind of want to switch my wall art to this one and then add pops of light pink, because like I said in my birthday video, I wanted to add light pink instead of the blue because I'm over the blue. And then this olive tree is just so cute next to the mirror. So cute. That's kind of why I was postponing this video, because I just wanted to make sure I was doing it in a way that I'll be proud of, but it's gonna get better as we go. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. If you have any more videos that you would like for me to do as far as mood board content, leave a comment down below. It can be from Wayfair only, from Walmart only, Target only, a budget of just $500, $2,000. If you want me to help you do your whole apartment or home, then just leave a comment down below or email me, and I will be sure to create a video for you to help you out, because this is really fun. I'm definitely going to be doing more of this. I think my next video will be a bedroom in a certain store and having a budget. So leave any recommendations on how you want that set up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Everything I swear, I take the pain and the hurt, you won't know it's there. Once will be nothing, I'm pathetic,